Alright legends, welcome here, and this video is full trading tutorial on Toobit. We're gonna focus specifically on futures trading, right? If you haven't seen my spot trading tutorial yet, you can check it out. It's here on my YouTube channel. And remember, this is a quick trading tutorial, right? For full beginners. We're gonna go from step by step. We're gonna start with registering, deposit, transferring to future, and then we're gonna go through dashboards and all the tools and how to open trades on Toobit. All right, as you can see, that's the main dashboard, and there is already 1K available. This is BTC current price. But before we go further, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes. Always do your own research, do your own. And as you can see, in the description of the video you can have a link to Toobit, and as you can see there are different benefits from registering. If you already have account, it's fine, you can already start. If you haven't registered yet, you want to get benefits, the link is over there. So as you can see, after registering on Toobit, you're gonna see that the main dashboard. Obviously, if you haven't bought any crypto yet, you can have it here. If you already have crypto, you can click deposit, right? I have already deposited, so in my case I can already go to futures and USDT and perpetual. That's what mainly you're gonna use. You know, USDC is the same as USDT and perpetual. The only difference is you trade against USDC or USDT. FX trading, this is Forex, foreign currencies. Even contracts, live perpetual, and demo trading, which is good option for you to start. You know, you don't need to lose your funds, or you can try it out. Basically, you don't risk real money. It's fake, right? You got bots as well, but as I said, mainly gonna use USDT and perpetual, so that's where we're gonna start. As you can see, that's what you're gonna get after clicking on it, and that's the main dashboard, right? Obviously, biggest thing here is the chart, and this is chart from trading view. So if it's too complicated for you, you know, you can close these things like volume, etc. But the good part is that part on the left side, which are tools, which are trading view tools for your, you know, technical analysis, etc, etc. You can draw on the chart, basically play with it, or you can check what percentage specific certain asset did. But we're gonna close it now, and as you can see, back to clear. We have here the per selection, right? As you can see, many altcoins, obviously BTC, and there is all the time new launches on Toobit, right? You can follow the Twitter, you can get info about new launches. Here, the current price of the pair, we have BTC 101K, obviously max price, index price, funding rate, 24-hour change, 24-hour high, low, BTC volume in the last 24 hours. And this is it for that section and the chart, right? Here on the right section, you have order book. You can close it, all right, or you can have it open. It's up to you. You can customize it. But basically, as you can see, sells, buys, the current price, size in BTC, and some in BTC. We can close it, right? If you know, if you want to have it more clean, as you can see here on the right, this is the section where you open trades, right? This is where you open your trades, open and close, right? You can have market order, limit order. Actually, we're gonna start with market, right? It's easier. As you can see, I can simply select 50%, let's say, like current leverage is 5x. I can click buy long, and as you can see, the order is automatically filled and it's open already, right? And as you can see here in that section, the red section, this is the section where you can see your open orders, positions, order history, position history, and everything appears here after you open a trade in that section, right? So as you can see, unrealized P&L, which is profit and loss, is minus 1.4 USDT. This is because of the commission, and unrealized P&L, as you can see, it's changing now because the price is changing. It's obviously low price. I opened that randomly just to show you. Before we go to next part, we're gonna close that trade. As you can see, close all positions. Do you want to close all positions at market price? Yes. And as you can see, we confirm it's filled, and now we can see that trade in the order history. Another thing is take profit and stop loss. You can set specific price. Let's say we open a position at current price, but we believe that it's gonna go to, let's say, 105K, and we can set, as you can see, the take profit and stop loss, let's say at 95K. Once again, if we click on that, you're gonna see it in here in the open orders. As you can see, TPSL stands for take profit and stop loss. And here, as you can see, you can also edit that take profit and stop loss in here. Basically, as you can see, trigger price, boom, you can set, let's say, change to, let's say, 25%. You can confirm and it's going to be automatically changed. We're going to cancel take profits, but look, the position is still open. I just cancel take profit, stop loss, but as you can see, you can add it anytime. As you can see here, you can add anytime take profit and stop loss. But we're gonna close that position as well now, as you can see, closed. And we're gonna go to the trade option number 2, which is limit order, right? Limit order is basically a specific level on the price that you set where you believe price is gonna go. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin, but we don't want to buy at current price. Let's say we want to buy it cheaper at 80,000. You can do it, right? You can set that order, and as you can see, we can click buy long. It's gonna appear in here in open orders. As you can see, type is limit 5x, hasn't been filled yet, average price $80,000, and basically if the price goes to that level or of 80k, as you can see in here, that trade is going to be executed, right? We're gonna close it, cancel order, and this is it. One more thing about leverage, we gotta talk about leverage because obviously this is what futures are all about. Let's say if you trade with 100 USDT, if you use leverage, that's gonna increase the amount of the trade. But remember that it's also increasing the risk, especially if you're just starting. I recommend to start with spot because leverage can be very risky. That's the main reason why obviously when I trade I always use much lower leverage. You know, anything over 5x is extremely risky. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.